Hi, I'm Chelly Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple A-line dress which will fit Baby Alive, Disney Princess Toddler dolls, and a number of other dolls in this 12-inch size range. If you love the little heart applique quilt that I've photographed my dolls on top of, please hang around at the end of the video and I'll let you know how you can get one. Before we begin this project, please go to my website chellywood.com to download and print this free printable PDF sewing pattern. I have both American and A4 printer patterns. Use the pattern to cut out 4 dress backs and 2 dress fronts. One set will be used as your outer fabric, while the others will serve as a garment lining. Lay the dress front lining over the dress front, keeping right sides together. That means the pretty side of the front's fabric will touch the pretty side of the other piece. Stitch around each armhole area and the neckline. Clip your seams. For this, I use Fiskars Stitchers Mini Scissors. And if you need a pair of these, I've left a link to them in the description area below this video on YouTube. So here I am clipping my seams so far. And you want to go slowly. Of course, I've sped this up for your convenience, but go nice and slow. Invert your dress front. Now I like to use a chopstick to help me invert my garment pieces. And again, if you need some, I've added a link below this video on YouTube. So you'll see me insert the little chopstick there and give it a twist. Now press your seams. Lay one of the backs on top of the other back, keeping right sides together. Stitch around the armhole area, the neckline, the back closure area, and the bottom of the back. Follow these directions for both dress backs. Clip your seams and corners. So again, you want to go nice and slow so that you don't accidentally cross over your stitches with the scissors. Invert the back. And that's what I'm doing here. Press your seams. Clip, invert, and press both backs. Lay one back over the top of the dress front, keeping right sides together. Stitch across the shoulder. Lay the back and front out flat like this and press the shoulder seam. Then stitch across the flattened seam to give the garment a finished look. Lay the other back over the top of the front, keeping right sides together. Stitch the shoulder seam just like you did for the other one. Press these seams, stitch to finish the seam, lay the garment back against the front again, and sew from the underarm to just shy of the bottom of the back. See, my stitches stop before they reach the end. Specifically, I left about 3/4 of an inch, or almost 2 centimeters, unstitched at the bottom. Sew this same incomplete seam for the other side. Turn your garment upside down Fold the fabric at the bottom of the dress front inside itself like you see me doing in this video clip. Okay, so we just push those raw edges inside and then try to make sure they're lined up with the back so that it's the same length as the back, and then just start using straight pins to hold it all in place. That's what I'm doing here. You always want to check with the back, make sure they're even, so one isn't longer than the other one. You don't want the front longer than the back. Use straight pins to hold this hem area in place. As you pin, keep an eye on the length, making sure it matches the back piece in length. Whip stitch or ladder stitch to seal this hem area, removing the straight pins as you go. I'm not good at ladder stitch, so I just do a whip stitch. It's easier, I think. Now your dress looks like this. But we still need to finish those side seams. Remember how we left them open? Stitch from where you ended the side seam stitches to the bottom of the dress on both sides of the garment. Add some Velcro to close the dress in the back. And now you're ready to try it on a doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns for making doll clothes that will fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, chellywood.com. And if you're interested in buying a handmade quilt, doll-sized pillow will be included. Be sure to check out my Etsy store. Some of the fabrics are pretty old too. There's a link to my Etsy store in the description below this video on YouTube. It is about the right size for a baby doll or even an 18-inch doll.